Hey y'all, so what's up? It's your girl Danielle and I'm back with another video. So before I get into this video, make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Make sure your post notification bell is turned on so that you get a notification every time your girl upload another video. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So today's video is going to be a little bit different than the videos I do on my channel, but I just thought this would be a good idea for me to record. So basically, I have gum on my car carpet. And I was cleaning it with like the brush, but of course you know the brush isn't going to get up gum that's like stuck down inside the carpet. So I was like, let me search on Google, and I found like 3 different methods on like how to remove gum out of carpets. Hopefully it works, cross our fingers. So the method I chose was called the freezing method, and basically you would need like ice cubes, a plastic bag, and either like a spoon or like a dull knife. So I already have my ice inside my bag, and I have my butter knife here. So yes, we finna make it do what it do and see what it do, okay? Now, y'all not gonna see me like when I'm doing it because I have to put the camera down onto like the little rug so that y'all can see that. But y'all finna just watch me do this. Okay, y'all. So this is the gum that's stuck into the carpet. So now we're finna start on how to remove it. It says for to take the bag that has the ice cubes in it and set it on top of it. And basically this is supposed to like freeze it. And it's supposed to make it like kind of hard. So we're gonna just let that set and see what it does. Okay y'all, so I'm back. It's been setting for a few minutes. I actually kind of went in because as I reread it, it said for you to actually kind of rub the ice on it like this. So I kind of went in and did this a little bit while I was off camera. But now I'm ready to just try it. I'm ready to get my butter knife and I'm ready to start scraping to see if it actually works. So let's try it. It's almost like it wants to come up. Like you can see where it's been peeled up. Maybe getting somewhere. Look, it's trying to come off. It's almost gone. Oh, look how much I've gotten off. Like you can barely see it. So I'm gonna set the ice back on it for a little bit, and then I'm gonna come back and try to remove that off. Okay y'all, so I'm back and I have repeated that last clip that I just showed to y'all, and y'all are not going to believe this. Look, gum wear. Y'all can see like the little wet spot from, you know, the ice, you know, the water from the ice. But y'all, my carpet is back to new like it was at first. There's no gum. Wow, y'all, I would have never thought. I seriously would have never thought. But I'm glad I did this video because it may help someone else. Okay y'all, so that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure that you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Make sure that your post notification bell is turned on so that you get notifications every time your girl upload another video. And without further ado, I will talk to you in our next video. Peace.